Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Students, today we are going to do an activity, that is string pull activity. Okay, what is our activity? String pull activity. Okay, look, is it look beautiful? You know, I made this design with thread. Okay, with the use of string of thread and colors. You want to make it? Now let's start. For doing this, you need a white paper, two of your choice of colors. Okay, I am using this one, so you can use any of your choice. One string roll, thread roll. Okay, one thread roll. Students, from this thread roll I have cut these two strings, not so large, not so small. Okay, not so large and not so small. So what you have to do, you just take two colors in a plate. Okay, you just take any of two colors in your plate and dip the string in the color. Okay, dip the string, both of string, in two different colors. Okay, so first of all you take your blank paper, fold it in the half, make an impression, open it. Okay, what you have to do, you just take one thread. Students, just put one thread like this. Okay, like this, and what you have to do, you just place it on the paper by making any of the design, like this. Okay student, now take another string from another color and you also take this. Okay, look, take this and place this along with your first string in any manner. Okay students, now what you have to do, you just close this paper. Just close this paper and put some heavy object on it. Like any heavy book, heavy diary. Okay, and then what you have to do, you just take its outer part. You just hold the outer part of both the threads. Okay, you just hold the outer part of both the threads and place your other hand on this book and then pull the strings. Pull both the strings very carefully. Pull both the strings all together. Okay, I remove both the strings all together from the paper. Okay, now place it aside. Remove this diary or fake book, open it. What you have to see, wow, isn't look beautiful? Okay, so you try to make it at home with the help of your parents. Okay students, this is your activity and the name of this activity is string pull activity. Okay students, bye.